Alrighty guys, we are back with another trade recap video. It has been a minute. Ended up losing this YouTube account somehow. Ended up getting it back though, which is good. And we're gonna be doing daily videos for you guys, if not multiple videos a day. So yeah, really excited for it for you guys, and I think it will benefit you guys a lot. Now with that being said, let's get in the trade recap for the day. Overall today, we were in a bearish 4-hour gap, respecting it. Also an hourly bearish gap. Didn't necessarily want to take longs until we saw lower. Market open candle was this 930 candle right here. And instantly from this 930 candle, we ended up dumping, which was good and what I wanted to see for the day. From there, we did have London lows down here that we could possibly sweep into in an unfilled 4-hour gap as well. Market open did come around. We did come down here. We did put in an SMT at this low right here. Sweeping out all this. Clean 1 minute inversion from this. Break even at this internal high. And I took this. It's an A+ setup. I took it. Why would I not take it? Unfortunately, ES does take out this high, like right here. So we put in an SMT right here. I go break even. Basically an instant break even. Sat in the trade for like a minute. And once ES ended up taking that high, we go break even. Protected our risk, and people got stopped out on this. From that, this is very important, and this will save you guys a lot of capital. I ended up not taking a trade for the rest of the day. I didn't like anything else. Wanted to just wait for full conviction. After we have this stop out right here, although I'm break even on that, I'm going to want to wait for full conviction if I'm going to take something else after getting one break even already. We end up coming back down for a resweep, another sweep of this low, and we have a 1 minute inversion fair value gap right here. And you may think, oh yeah, why didn't you take this, Jack? Some people did take this. For instance, PB Blake took this. He took an L on this. I did not like this because what we're essentially doing is, yes, we're just resweeping this, putting in another SMT, but we just saw us not be able to displace higher from doing that same thing. So what it's telling us is that we're going to need to go lower before we're going to see higher. So right here, this is all chopping people out, and then finally we get a resweep move down. Now, this was a tricky SMT because we had an SMT at this low, but we had not put one in with London lows yet. ES had not taken out London lows yet, but we did keep this SMT here. From here, there was this 1 minute inverse. This was very good. Could have gone break even or super small 1 minute here. This is the main 1 minute. If you were going to take this, you ended up not getting a candle closed until all the way up here. And from that point, I'm not really a big fan of this stop loss. So I didn't take this, and we saw it run straight to TP, and I'm perfectly okay with that. Perfectly okay with that. Protected my capital this morning. I know a lot of people took a loss on the setup that we took earlier. They didn't go break even and whatnot. So yeah, not mad whatsoever. And honestly, I'm not going to want to take an inverse with the close like this. I mean, we're closing 30 points above the actual inversion. 5 or 10 points is fine. That's clean displacement. 30 points is a little obscure, and that messes with the risk to reward, and that's just not a setup I was willing to take. We had an internal SMT. We didn't have an external with London lows. We didn't tap into the unfilled 4-hour. Although draw, could have been higher there, and we did end up bouncing. I just didn't like the stop loss for that, and that's just something I'd rather sit out on, and I was perfectly fine with that. And then the rest of the day, we just took out this high and chopped around for a little bit. But yeah, overall, I mean, super solid day. I'm not mad about it whatsoever. Saw my setup, took my setup, completely fine with the outcome of it, and that's all that you guys can do day in and day out. So hopefully you guys were able to take something away from this video. Hopefully you guys also protected your capital today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.